Welcome to Disney's Blizzard Beach, easily the coolest water park in Orlando. Today's February 2nd, and even though it's midwinter, the high today here in Florida is 85 degrees, which makes for a perfect water park day. When you first enter the water park, you can find this sandy area over to the left. During the summer, you can typically find Goofy doing a meet and greet here, at least in the morning and in the afternoon. We have a whole video about that when we'll link down below. During this park's most recent refurb, Frozen-themed statues were added to the children's play area. We're going to head there first to check them out. Before you even completely enter the area, you can see the snow geese have been added to the sign. Anna and Elsa have been added to this cute little snow fort area. You can also see Kristoff and Spin right behind this snowbank, and then Olaf is right in the middle of the action. During the winter, when it's not as busy, I prefer to sit on the main beach for the day. Personally, I prefer to be closer to the left side of the wave pool, closer to the restaurant and the main walkway. During the summer when it's much busier, I prefer to find a secluded area in the back. It's more likely that you'll find an available spot, and it's also much quieter. At the very back of the park, near Runoff Rapids, you'll find two areas that are much more secluded and will typically be less crowded. This second area even has a small trail that leads to an even more secluded area behind it. Every water park in Orlando offers daily locker rentals. Here at Blizzard Beach, a small locker is $10 for the day, while a larger locker is $15. If you're interested in renting a towel or a cabana for the day, you can head over to the counter near the locker rentals. Here's a look at a typical cabana or patio here at Blizzard Beach. Personally, I think there are better values at other water parks when it comes to these private cabana areas. While I was getting ready to enter the water for the day, I noticed two things. One was that the lawn chairs are not adjustable like you'll find in many other water parks in Orlando. And two, the inner tubes have not been returned to the wave pool. This used to be the only wave pool that had inner tubes you could float in. We are going to start our day in the lazy river. If you'd like to see an entire POV, we have that available and we'll link it down below. Here you can find one of the best hidden Mickeys in Walt Disney World. This bridge is located in the back of the park near Runoff Rapids. You can only see this from the lazy river. Every single water park in Orlando sells a reusable cup that you can fill with soda. However, you can fill any cup of your desire with water from these fountains as well. Almost every single slide at this water park does not allow you to bring any type of recording device on the slide. However, we did still have a great time and we'll be heading out now to find lunch elsewhere. Only a few hotels offer a direct bus route directly to Blizzard Beach, and it looks like they are refurbing the ones currently. If I had to take my guess, I'd say they're removing a ton of them that used to offer many more routes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below.